Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the GAMMA.DIST function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will simply return the gamma distribution of a certain set of arguments. So for the purpose of this function we need 4 arguments that are all required. So the first one will be the x, that is the value at which we want to evaluate the distribution. We have the alpha and the beta that are parameters of the distribution. And finally, we have the cumulative that is either true or false. Now, if we want to run the function, how exactly is it going to work? So it's pretty simple. We'll start with an equal sign, and then we can just write down gamma.dist. And here we go. This is the function. And then we can start by entering our argument. So let's say our x is 14.89. Then after that, we have our alpha that is 7, our beta that is 3. And finally, our cumulative that is either true or false. So in our case, it's going to be true. Finally, we can just close our parentheses. And just like that, we are able to know that the cumulative distribution using the following arguments will be 0.232475. So this is how we use the gamma.dist function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out the link down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.